Hey guys, this is Dr. Tech and I'm gonna show you tips and tricks you can do with your iPhone. So let's get started. First up, we have tap to go up. So I'm on the Apple developers page and I wanna go all the way up. I just have to tap the time shown on the top part of your screen and it'll take me back up. This feature would only work on other iPhones. So let's say your friends come over and they ask for the Wi-Fi password, but you don't want to give it to them. All you have to do is ask them to tap on the Wi-Fi and you'll get a notification on your phone asking if you want to share it with them. All you do, share, and you're done. I'm sure most of you don't know about this one. So we all know on the Apple Watch you can tap on Find My iPhone and it'll ping your phone. But did you know if you long press it'll also use the flashlight on your phone? So this one's pretty cool. All you have to do is open the Measure app and you can measure objects with your iPhone. But this requires iOS 12. For my test object, I'll be using my laptop. The screen size is roughly 13.3 inches. Let's see how this does. I'm sure all of you are thinking, why would Apple create a calculator app without a backspace button? All you have to do is swipe left from the number displayed and it will delete that number. So no more clearing the screen. Here's a bonus. If you have a Mac, you can copy and paste text from an iPhone to a Mac and vice versa as long as you're on the same Wi-Fi network and the same Apple ID. That's pretty cool.